In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files from Dropbox. Whether you accidentally deleted something important or need to recover a file you didn't mean to remove, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, we'll need to head over to the Dropbox website. Open your preferred web browser and type in https www.dropbox.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your credentials to log into your account. Signing in is crucial as it provides access to your saved files and your personal settings on Dropbox. If you have trouble signing in, make sure your password is correct and check your internet connection. Sometimes a simple browser refresh or clearing your cache can resolve any loading issues. Now that we've accessed our account, turn your attention to the left sidebar of the Dropbox interface. Here, you'll see various options that help you navigate through Dropbox's features. Among them is an icon that looks like a trash can labeled Deleted Files. Go ahead and click on this icon. This section holds all the files you've deleted in the past 30 days unless they've been permanently removed or your storage plan provides an extended recovery time. It's like having a digital recycling bin where deleted items temporarily reside. In this Deleted Files area, you can either browse through the list to find the file or folder you want to recover, or use the search bar if you remember the name or specific details of the file. Utilize this search feature to quickly locate your desired file, especially if you have many files in the deleted items. Taking advantage of this feature makes the process quicker and more efficient, particularly when dealing with large volumes of data. Once you've identified the file or folder you wish to restore, move your cursor over it and click to select it. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Command key on your Mac or the Control key on your PC as you click. This is useful if you want to restore several files at the same time, saving you from repeating the process individually for each file. After selecting your file or files, look towards the top of the page. You'll see the option Restore prominently displayed. Click on Restore, and just like that, Dropbox will begin the recovery of the selected files or folders. These items will be returned to their original location in your Dropbox account. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully recovered your deleted files from Dropbox. Remember, the ability to restore files is subject to a time limit based on your account type, so it's best to act swiftly when you realize a file has been mistakenly deleted. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.